Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing another Pokemon pack opening, but it's only on two Paldea. It's on Paldea Evolved, so I've only got two packs here, so it's probably going to be a short one anyway. I was expecting something today, more Pokemon stuff coming, but like it hasn't arrived yet. So let's get this. So there's the code card there. Jigglypuff. That one. Paldea Tauros. Don't know that one. So we got a Super Rod. And so that one for the rare. And then you got green. So let's see what's in the next pack. So there's the code card for you guys. Floy Coco. Don't know that one. Fletchard or something? No, I don't know much about Pokemon, guys, anyway, so. Orangaroo. And no. Ending on the Wigglypuff. And the basic energy. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like this sort of thing. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this, please consider that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.